Thank you for visiting Speak in English. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels for more English stories. Reena. Hey Alia, how's it going? Alia. Hey Reena, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? Reena. Not bad. I'm actually trying to figure out what to do this weekend. Got any plans? Alia. Not really. I was thinking of just relaxing at home. Maybe catching up on some Netflix shows. What about you? Reena, I'm torn. I want to relax too, but part of me wants to get out and do something fun. The weather is supposed to be really nice, Alia. Oh, that's true. Maybe we could do something outdoors. How about going for a hike? There's that new trail near the lake I've been wanting to try. Reena, that sounds perfect. I've been meaning to get some fresh air and it'll be good to get some exercise too. Alia, exactly. Plus, we could bring a picnic and make a whole day out of it. Reena, ooh, a picnic sounds amazing. I'll bring some sandwiches and snacks. Do you want to bring drinks? Alia, sure. I'll grab some iced tea and water. Should we meet around 10 a.m.? Reena, that works for me. Oh, and maybe we can bring a frisbee or a ball to play with after the hike. Alia, great idea. Let's make it a fun, active day. I'm really looking forward to it now. Reena, same here. It'll be a great way to recharge before the week starts again. I'll see you Saturday morning then. Alia, sounds good. Can't wait. See you then.